book, pencil, pen, chair, eraser, book, book, pencil, pencil, pen, pen, chair, chair, eraser, eraser, teacher, student, dog, cat, happy, sad, teacher, teacher, student, student, dog, dog, cat, cat, happy, happy, sad, sad. Subject pronouns, persons. I, you, he, she, it. I, you, he, she, it. Verb to be. I am. You are. He is. She is. It is. I am happy. You are happy. He is happy. He is happy. It is happy. Let's practice. Complete with am, are, is. I am a teacher. You are a student. She is sad. It is a book. She is a student. I am happy. It is a pencil. You are a teacher. It is a chair. He is happy. It is an eraser. Revision. I, you, he, she, it. I am. You are. He is. She is. It is. I am a teacher. You are a student. He is happy. She is sad. It is a chair. I am a teacher. You are a student. He is happy. She is sad. It is a chair.